I'm excited to introduce you to our physical activity workshops. Whether you're joining us online or in person, these sessions are designed to be practical, interactive, and rooted in science. In these workshops, we cover a range of topics to support your physical and mental well-being at work, at home, and in everyday life. From reducing the risk of chronic illness to building healthier routines, we'll show you how to move more and feel better, no matter how busy your schedule is. These aren't just talks, we get you moving. Whether you're at your desk or in the lounge, we guide you through practical exercises and easy changes to make a massive difference. Therefore, if you're looking to energize your team, improve your own health, or simply learn something new, join us. We would love to share this journey with you.